We are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and my brother-in-law just got a new monitor that he's going to test out. It's a IPS monitor. It's 144 Hertz, but it's overclockable to 160 Hertz, which is really cool, as you can see on the box. What's the brand name? UltraGear?
Yeah, it's their line of gaming, UltraGear, but the model of the monitor, it's right on top. The 34G83A.
Okay, so it's the 30, got it. 34GP83A. Okay, 34-inch class is what it is. All right, cool. So we're gonna. Oh, it's made by LG.
That's right.
Oh, okay. That's what I was. Okay, got it. All right, so it's made by LG, and this is just UltraGear is just their gaming line. Okay, got it. All right, so this is it, and we're gonna open this up. We're gonna see what it looks like, and let's get this unboxed. All right. So let's cut this open. What I'm probably better off doing, so I can pick it up, is put it on the chair and then lift it up out of the chair onto the table. It's not that heavy, right?
I believe the monitor without stand is 11 pounds.
11 pounds? So it weighs 11 pounds.
Just the screen, but if you add the monitor stand, it's about 20 pounds.
20 pounds, okay.
So if you're planning to mount it on the wall, you just gotta make sure that
it can hold about
11
pounds, pretty much. Okay. So here's we're not gonna really show you detail on the top of it, but here's the accessory pack that comes right out on the top right here. This is the accessory pack. Comes with a CD. That's your owner's manual CD. So this is the accessory pack. We'll put that right there. We'll open that up in a little bit, see what's in there. And then there's some. Oh no. Okay. Let me just take this whole thing out. Never mind. All right, so this whole thing lifts out. There's something right here. Oh, this is the stand. Right?
Part of the stand.
That's part of the stand. So these are the legs right here. Are you going to use the legs or no?
Probably not, but we can put it together here.
Okay, cool. Let's do it. All right, so we're going to put that together too. Let's open it up. All right, so it comes with this nice red color, which is pretty cool. Looks like the bolts are already made in there, so you just tighten them up. Oh, and they're finger bolts. Look, You fold it out and you just do it with your finger. That's pretty cool. Or a screwdriver, whichever you want. So that's kind of cool. So we'll see how that goes on. All right. Let's put this over here. All right. And then what's this? This is what? The back part of it or something?
Yep,
oh, the back part of the stand?
That attaches to the legs, and then the monitor goes on.
All right. So let's open this up. On the bag. They taped it up. Okay, we go. Okay. So this is the back, so we're going to connect that to that, and then the monitor is going to go right on here. Okay, that's cool. All right. So let's put that over here. And then let's get this monitor out. So you got foam on each side. It should just come out just like, let's see if I can grab it from the monitor itself. There we go. So at least I can grab on. So it comes out just like this. A little heavy. I mean, you feel it. It feels like picking up, Coco. So.
Coco's our dog.
Yep, Coco's the dog. Yep. It feels like picking up Coco. So it's gonna slide out this way, I guess. Okay. All right. Nothing else is in the box. That is it. Yep. That looks like that's about it. That's in the box. So this is kind of what it looks like, how big it is. You could see it compared to me on how big it's going to look. We're going to get this connected for you and have it all set up, and then really get a good review. That should take like a second, right? Because that just screws right in. I'll hold this up. Do we need to take these screws out right here?
No.
How does it go into that?
It just clicks.
Oh, it clicks. Yeah. Oh, okay. So
those
it clicks
screws
right
are to mount it
on the
wall. Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Do all the new monitors come with thumb screws now? Oh, okay.
I have, from all the monitors that I've tested,
all thumb screws.
Never had to use a screwdriver.
Okay. All right, you're gonna help me snap this on.
And then
top first, I guess.
first.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh my god, that was so simple. Wow, that was easy. That was really easy. That's pretty sweet. Wow. So it has G-Sync NVIDIA. Okay. So this is kind of what it looks like. So this is kind of what you can expect. And how big is this? 32?
34.
34 inch. So it's a 34 inch widescreen, I'm guessing, right?
Yep, ultra wide.
Ultra wide, yeah, because how wide it is. That's pretty cool. And it has the curved screen.
Slightly curved.
Right? Slightly curved, see it? It looks like a pretty good curve. All right. So that's an unboxing review and just a setup of the monitor that he got. And what's this, for wire management or something?
Wire management.
Got it. Okay.
There.
Oh, and here's all the ports, so they could see all the ports on the back
USB,
there. USB.
Display port, HDMI, audio, and power for the monitor.
Power for the monitor. What's this one?
So that's a USB Type B cable. So you will connect this to your computer, and then you have two usable USB ports on your monitor.
Oh, if you're going to add monitors, is that like what it's for, or what?
No, so basically you run one wire, and
Yeah.
you get two ports that you can use from behind the monitor. So for example, some people have like LED strips for lighting, for lights.
Okay, got it,
So
yes.
they put them behind the monitor, and they have a place to plug
Plug them in on there.
So one port is taken on the computer, but you get two on the monitor.
Okay. Do they recommend, like, so there's different ways to hook this up to the computer. Is there one way that they recommend that's premium, or
The
pretty
premium
much
way
is
and the best port is display port.
Display port. So the
That's
display
the
port
fastest
would be which is this one right here?
That's right.
Okay. That's cool. All right, guys. So, yeah, that's a little review of the LG, what's it called? LG UltraGear.
UltraGear, but that's just the line
Of their line.
of gaming. Their naming is always a little complicated. It is
This one. That's what you would go by. That's the model number.
that's right.
Okay. All right, so that's the model number right there. All right, so that's just an unboxing of it and stuff like that. We can get if he decides to keep it and likes it, we'll get a review on what it looks like after it's hooked up, so you guys can see, you know, how bright it is. Like, I don't know how much you're going to be able to tell on my phone because I don't have the highest quality phone, but you know, might be able to tell something. And I guess that's it for Glenn Belver Reviews on the unboxing. Thank you everybody for watching Glenn Belver Reviews. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Please subscribe to my channel as well and join me on my review adventures as we review other stuff that we get around the house, whether electronics or fish stuff or anything really that we buy, we review. And like I said, ask any questions that you got, all right? Thank you everybody for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.